हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये मल्टीमीडिया का यूनिट 2 है जिसके अंदर साउंड्स एंड वीडियो कार्ड्स, कंपैरिजन टेक्निक्स, मेमोरी एंड स्टोरेज डिवाइस, इनपुट डिवाइस, आउटपुट हार्डवेयर, कम्युनिकेशन डिवाइस, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ मल्टीमीडिया ऑथरिंग टूल्स एंड इट्स टाइप्स, इन सभी के बारे में बस देखेंगे क्योंकि ये बस पॉइंट्स नोट्स है, उनके लिए हेल्प करने के लिए है जो केवल नोट्स बनाना पसंद करते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मल्टीमीडिया हार्डवेयर। Most of the computers nowadays come equipped with the hardware components required to develop view multimedia application. Memory and storage device. We need memory for storing various files used during production, original audio and video clips, edited pieces and final mined pieces. We also need memory for backup of your project files. Primary memory. Primary memory holds only those data and instructions on which computer is currently working. It has limited capacity and data gets lost when power is switched off. It is generally made up of semiconductor device. These memories are not as fast as register. The data and instruction required to be processed earlier reside in main memory. It is divided into two subcategories, RAM and ROM. Cache memory. Cache memory is a very high-speed semiconductor memory which can speed up CPU. It acts as a buffer between the CPU and main memory. It is used to hold those parts of data and program which are most frequently used by CPU. The parts of data and programs are transferred from disk to cache memory by operating system from where CPU can access. Secondary memory. This type of memory is also known as external memory or non-volatile. It is slower than main memory. These are used for storing data information permanently. CPU directly does not access these memories. Instead, they are accessed by input-output routines. Contents of secondary memories are first transferred to main memory, and then CPU can access it. For example, disk, CD-ROM, DVD, etc. Input device. Keyboard. Most common and very popular input device is keyboard. The keyboard helps in inputting the data to the computer. The layout of the keyboard is like that of traditional typewriter, although there are some additional keys provided for performing some additional functions. Keyboards are of two sizes, 84 keys or 101 or 102 keys, but now 104 keys or 108 key keyboards is also available for Windows and Internet. Mouse. Mouse is most popular pointing device. It is a very famous cursor control device. It is a very famous cursor control device. It is a small palm-sized box with a round ball at its base which senses the movement of mouse and sends corresponding signals to CPU on the buttons, pressing the buttons. Generally, it has two buttons called left and right buttons, and a scroll bar is present at the mid. Mouse can be used to control the position of cursor on screen, but it cannot be used to enter text into the computer. Joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device which is used to move cursor position on a monitor screen. It is a stick having a spherical balls at its both lower and upper ends. The lower spherical balls move in a socket. The joystick can be moved in all four directions. The function of joystick is similar to that of a mouse. It is mainly used in computer-aided designing (CAD) and playing computer games. Light pen. Light pen is a pointing device which is similar to a pen. It is used to select a display menu items or draw pictures on the monitor screen. It consists of a photocell and an optical system placed in a small tube. When light pen's tip is moved over the monitor screen and pen buttons is pressed, its photocell sensing element detects the screen location and sends the corresponding signal to the CPU. Trackball. Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in notebook or laptop. Computer instead of a mouse, this is a ball which is half inserted and by moving fingers on ball pointer can be moved. Since the whole device is not moved, a trackball requires less space than a mouse. A trackball comes in various shapes like a ball, a buttons and square. A scanner. A scanner is an input device which works more like a photocopy machine. It is used when some information is available on a paper and it is to be transferred to the hard disk of the computer for further manipulation. A scanner captures images from the source which are then converted into the digital form that can be stored on the disk. These images can be edited before they are printed. Digitizer. Digitizer is an input device which converts analog information into a digital form. Digitizer can convert a signal from the television camera into a series of numbers that could be stored in a computer. They can be used by the computer to create a picture of whatever the camera had been pointed of. Digitizer is also known as tablet or graphics tablet because it converts graphics and pictorial data into binary inputs. A graphics tablet as digitizer is used for doing fine works of drawing and images manipulation applications. MICR Magnetic Ink Card Reader. MICR input device is generally used in banks because of a large number of checks to be processed every day. The bank's code number and checks number are printed on the checks with a special type of ink that contains particles of magnetic material that are machine readable. This reading process is called magnetic ink character recognition (MICR). The main advantage of MICR is that it is fast and less error prone. OCR Optical Character Reader. OCR is an input device used to read a printed text. OCR scans text optically character by character, converts them into a machine readable code, and stores the text on the system memory. Barcode reader. Barcode reader is a device used for reading barcoded data in form of light and dark lines. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books, etc. It may be a handheld scanner or may be embedded in a stationary scanner. For code reader scans a barcode image, converts it into an alphanumeric value, which is then fed to the computer to which barcode reader is connected. OMR Optical Mark Reader. OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. It is used where one out of a few alternatives is to be selected and marked. It is especially used for checking the answer sheets of examination having multiple choice questions. Voice system. Microphone. Microphone is an input device to input sound that is then stored in digital form. The microphone is used for various applications like adding sounds to a multimedia presentation or for mixing music. Digital camera. Digital camera is an input device to input image that is then stored in digital form. The digital camera is used for various applications like adding image to a multimedia presentation or for personal purpose. Digital video camera. Digital video camera is an input device to input image video that is then stored in digital form. The digital video camera is used for various applications like adding videos to multimedia presentation or for personal purpose. Output device. Monitor. Monitor, commonly called as Visual Display Unit (VDU), is the main output device of a computer. It forms image from tiny dots called pixels that are arranged in a rectangular form. The sharpness of the image depends upon the number of the pixels. Printer. Printer is the most important output device which is used to print information on paper. Dot matrix printer. In the market, one of the most popular printers is dot matrix printer because of their ease of printing features and economical price. Each character printed is in form of pattern of dots and head consists of a matrix or pins of size 5 into 7, 7 into 9, 9 into 7 or 9 into 9, which comes out to form a character. That is why it is called dot matrix printer. Decibel. Head is laying on while and pins corresponding to characters are linked like petals of daisy flower's name. That is why it is called Decibel printer. These printers are generally used for word processing in office which requires a few letters to be sent here and there with very nice quality representation. Line printer. Line printer are printer which print one line at a time. Laser printer. They are non-impact page printers. They use laser light to produce the dots needed to form the characters to be printed on a page. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printers are non-impact character printers based on a relatively new technology. They print characters by spraying small drops of ink onto paper. Inkjet printers produce high-quality output with presentable features. They make less noise because no hammering is done, and these have many styles of printing modes available. Color printing is also possible. Some models of inkjet printer can produce multiple copies of printing also. Screen image projector. Screen image projector or simply projector is an output device used to project information from a computer on a large screen so that a group of people can see it simultaneously. A presenter first makes a PowerPoint presentation on the computer. Now a screen image projector is plugged to a computer system and presenter can make a presentation to a group of people by projecting the information on a large screen. Projector makes the presentation more understandable. Sound card. A sound card is an expansion component used in computer to receive and sense audio. Sound cards are configured and utilized with the help of a software application and a device driver. Microphone. The input device attached to receive audio data is usually a microphone, speakers or headphones. The device used to output data. The sound card converts incoming digital audio data into analog audio so that the speaker can play it in the receiver. In the reverse case, the sound card can convert analog audio data from the microphone into digital data that can be stored on the computer altered using audio software. Sound cards are also known as audio adapter. Usage of sound cards. The primary use of a sound card is to provide sound that you hear from playing music with varying formats and degrees of control. The source of the sound may be in the form of streamed audio, a file CD or DVD etc. There are many applications of a computer where a sound card can be used. Games, voice recognition, watch movie, creating and playing MIDI, educational software, audio and video conferencing, business presentation, record DAC sessions, audio CDs and listening to music. Video card. A video card is a PC component that is used to enhance the quality of image showed on a display. It is attached to the motherboard and controls and calculates on image appearance on the screen. The video card is an intermediate device that accelerates the video throughput. Video cards are also known as graphics card, video adapters, display cards, graphic adapter and graphic accelerators. Compression technique. The technique used for data compression is called compression technique. Compression technique is the process of encoding information using fewer bits through use of a specific encoding scheme. With the technique, we get less disk space for data, faster reading and writing, faster file transfer, variable dynamic range and byte order independence. Data compression. The process of reducing the volume of data by applying a compression technique is called compression. The resulting data is called compressed data. Reason of compress. Reduce file size, save disk space, increase transfer speed at a given data rate, allow real-time transfer at a given data rate. Types of compression technique. Lossy or lossy, symmetrical or asymmetrical, software or hardware. Lossy or lossy. Lossless. If the decompressed data is the same as the original data, it is referred to as lossless compression, otherwise the compression is lossy. Symmetrical or asymmetrical. In symmetrical compression, the time required to compress and to decompress are roughly the same. In asymmetrical compression, the time taken for compression is usually much longer than decompression. Software or hardware. A compression technique may be implemented either in hardware or software codes, encode and decoder. Hardware codes offer better quality and performance. Communication device. A communication device is a hardware device capable of transmitting an analog or digital signal over the telephone, other communication wire or wirelessly. The best example of a communication device is a computer modem, which is capable of sending and receiving a signal to allow computers to talk to other computers over the telephone. Other example of communication device include a network interface card (NIC), Wi-Fi device and an access point. Advantage of communication device. Electronic communication devices are easily accessible to people who would otherwise not have other modes of communication. In developing countries, people who never owned a home telephone have cell phones. Cell phones also continue to evolve at a rapid rate. Many are now available that provide 3 or 4 ways to communicate, such as internet connections, text messaging, and standard phone links. Some communication devices are follow: modem, router, hub, network card, laptop, fax machine, mobile phone, Bluetooth. Modem. Modem is an electronic device that converts digital data signal into modulated analog signal suitable for transmission over analog telecommunication circuit. Two types of modem: voice band modem, cable modem. Voice band modem. Voice band modems are used for telephony, type infrastructures such as the dial-up network, analog leased line and voice channel of radio links, but also for communication over dry copper. Cable voice band modems are widely used. Cable modem. Cable modem is usually connected to a personal computer or router using an Ethernet connection that operates of LAN speeds of 10 or 100 Mbps at the head end or central distribution point of the cable system. A cable modem termination system CMTS connects the cable television network to the internet. Network card. A network card, sometimes called a network interface card (NIC), is a communication device that enables a computer or device that does not have built-in network capability to access a network. The network card coordinates the transmission and receipts of data, instructions, and information to and from the computer or device containing the network card. Fax machine. A fax machine is also called telefax. The machine scans the documents. It transfers the image of that document into a signal. The signal is sent down a telephone line to another fax machine. The other machine decodes the signal and reproduces the document. Multimedia authoring tools. Multimedia authoring tools provide the framework for organizing and editing the elements of a multimedia project. Authoring software provides an integrated environment for combining the content and functions of a project. It enables the developer to combine text, graphics, audio, video, and animation into an interactive presentation project. Authoring systems include editing tools to create, edit, and convert multimedia elements such as animation and video clips. The organization, design, and production process for multimedia involves storyboarding and flowcharting. Visual flowcharting or overview facility illustrates project structures at a macro level. Features of authoring tools: editing and organizing features, programming features, interactivity features, performance tuning and playback features, delivery, cross-platform, and internet playability features. Types of authoring tools: card and page-based tools, icon-based event-driven tools, time-based tools, web page authoring tools. First, card and page-based tools. This tool provides a simple and easily understood metaphor for organizing multimedia elements. It contains media objects such as button, text, fields, and graphics objects. It provides a facility for linking objects to page or cards. Software: HyperCard, linked cards, toolbox. Each page is a screen. Advantage: easy to understand metaphor. First screen equal to one card equal to one page. Easy to use. Disadvantage: some run only on one platform. Tools not as powerful as eCube. Stand alone. Icon based event driven tool. Second, icon or object based authoring tools is the simplest and easiest authoring process. Simple branching is the ability to go to another sections of the multimedia productions. Multimedia elements and interaction cards are organized as objects in a flowchart. Flowchart can be built by dragging appropriate icons from a library and then adding the context, software, authorware, and icon author. Advantage: clear structure, easy editing and updating. Disadvantage: different to learn, expensive. C. Time-based tools. These slots are best suited for message with a beginning and an end. Some time-based tools facilitate navigation and interactive corner. Software, Adobe Director and Flash. Advantage, good for creating animation, branching user control interactivity. Disadvantage, expensive, steep learning curve for advanced features. Last D, web page authoring tools, allows user of all skills level to create web page. Some application software programmers include web page authoring programmers. Adobe Dreamweaver allows to create web page without learning the underlying HTML. Software, Adobe Dreamweaver, Fonts पेज। तो ये यूनिट 2 कंप्लीट होता है। उसके बाद वॉइस नोट्स है ये। अगर समझ के पढ़ना है तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब शेयर करें और ऐसे भी सब्सक्राइब कर ले और शेयर कर ले, क्योंकि इस पर SBT के सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग CSE ब्रांच के सभी सेमेस्टर का नोट्स उपलब्ध हो कराया जाएगा। वॉइस नोट्स भी, ऑडियो नोट्स भी और समझा के भी पढ़ाया जाएगा। तो आप इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। टिल देन बाय। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट यूनिट में।